Hello traders. In this video, we're looking at the best price action indicators for MT4 and MT5 that you already have built into the platforms. I'll focus on the classic tools like moving averages, RSI, volume, and candlestick features that support clean price action trading without overloading your charts. Let's start with the moving average. If you come to the indicators list, you can find the moving average. Yeah. Now, moving averages help smooth out price so you can see underlying trend and dynamic support of resistance more clearly. We have the simple moving average and exponential moving average, which are the most widely used on the MT4 and MT5. We also have the smoothed and linear weighted, but for the sake of this video, we'll focus on the first two. This moving averages are used with periods like 20, 50, or 200 to frame short, medium, and long term trends. As you can see on the chart, where price crosses above the line, indicating a downward momentum, and when price crosses above it, indicating bullish momentum. This is how the moving average helps traders. And let's move to the relative strength index, RSI. This is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price moves on a 0 to 100 scale, highlighting overbought and oversold zones. It is commonly used with levels 70 and 30 or 80 and 20 if you adjust it in the settings. As you can see here, I'm using 70 to 30 to spot potential exhaustion with divergence against price to anticipate possible reversals. As you can see here, this is the overbought zone and this is the oversold zone. In the overbought zone, once the line crosses above 70, it shows that the currency pair has been overbought and is priming for a downward momentum, which we can see here. And when it crosses below the oversold zone, it indicates bullish momentum approaching. And let's move on to the price and volume. Come here, click on volume. We have built-in volume indicators on the MT4 and MT5 that uses tick volume to show how active the market is during each candle, which helps confirm whether a move is backed by participation or looks weak. Combining raw volume bars with moving averages or RSI lets you filter fake breakouts and spot where strong trends are actually supported by rising interest. We also have the candlestick and chart tools, where standard candlestick charts, drawing tools, and manual support of resistance lines are core price action components used on both platforms, even without extra downloads. If you want more candlestick patterns or charts, we have a video for that. Kindly check our list. Using this together with MA, RSI, and volume gives you complete price action framework where moving average indicates the trend, the RSI indicates the momentum, and the volume indicates participation and structure for levels. You can explore more about these built-in MP4 and MT5 indicators in the Forex Geek articles on best MT4 indicators and best MT5 indicators linked below. They are widely used, easy to access on any broker's platform, and give you everything you need to build a clean, price action driven trading approach. Kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more videos updates.